Hello guys, welcome to the next video on Linux command line tutorial for beginners. In this video we will see how we can use nano command in Linux. Now nano is a small and friendly text editor, and beside the text editing, nano offers many extra features like an interactive search or replace, and it also has some other features like go to line or column number it can show, or it can give you the indentation in the file, or some other features. So let's see how we can use it. So first of all, I'm going to just change my directory to desktop, and in here, for example, I want to create a new file. First of all, nano can be used for creating a new file also. So just write nano, and then you just need to write the name of your file. For example, file.txt, I want to create this file, right? And I will press enter, and then this is going to open this file and create this file in the terminal, right? Now you may observe here that the file is open, but it's not shown here. Okay, so this file is not shown because we haven't saved the file. So nano has created a file for us, but we need to save it in order to see it here on the desktop, because we are in the desktop right now, right? So for example, we write something here, for example abc, and for example bcd and efg, for example some random text. Okay, now in order to save this text inside this file.txt, what you need to do is you need to press Ctrl O. Okay, you can see this command is given here, which means write out. Okay, so when you press Ctrl O, it means write out. That means writing out to the file. So just press Ctrl O, and this Ctrl O will give you this kind of information, which says file name to write and the name of the file. So our file name is file.txt, which is okay. So you just need to press enter, and it's going to save the content of the file. And as soon as I press enter, you can see file.txt is created here, and when I open it, it's going to show the content of the file which we have inserted using nano, right? Now nano has some other controls. For example, control G will get the help, or control X, when you press the control X, is going to exit from the nano command. So let's press control X first. So I'm going to press control X, and we are out of the nano command. Once again, once the file is created, then we can edit the content of the file by the same command nano and the file name. And you can see we have written this content to our file, and now for example I want to edit it. So I will go to this line, for example, and you can see there is a command called control K for cut, right? Normally in the normal editors we have control C for control X for cutting, and control V for pasting, right? But in here we have control K for cutting a line, for example. So I will just press control K, it's going to cut this line. And for example, I want to go down and paste it here. I can press control U. You can see this command, which is control U, which stands for uncut. So whatever you have cut, I will press control U, you can paste it like this. Okay, and then press control O to save the content, which is going to ask you if you want to save it. When you press enter, the file content will be changed, and you can see the effects here in the, you can see like this. Okay, so nano can be used to create a different kind of files, and for example I will just exit from this nano command, and for example I want to create a C++ file. So I will just press nano, and I will just say abc.cpp for C++ file, right? CPP is the extension of C++ file. And when I press enter, and in here, for example, I want to write some code, so I will just write IO stream, for example, and we need to include it, right? So hash include IO stream, and you can see here it's giving us the color. So nano has already recognized that it's a CPP file, so it's going to show you the code highlighting for your CPP code, right? So here I can just write int main, and then I can just give these curly brackets, and for example I want to print something, so I can just say hello world by std cout uh, hello world in the double quotes, right? And you can see it's doing the highlighting for us. So nano is good for editing some files which contain some code, so it can recognize if the file is a CPP file or C file or Java file or different kind of files, okay? And it will do the highlighting of or code highlighting for you also, and it can recognize these code files also. That's why also nano is beneficial to use whenever you want to edit some kind of code, right? So this is how you can use nano command. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and bye for now.